A little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. I am what I want you to want, what I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got. I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. I'm a little bit insecure, a little unconfident, cause you don't understand to do what I can, but sometimes I don't make sense. I am what you never want to say, but I've never had a doubt. It's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you for once just to hear me out. So let go, watching you turn your back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll be here cause you're all that I got. I can't feel the way I did before. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. Time won't change this damage anymore. Don't turn your back on me. I won't be ignored. No, hear me out now. You're gonna listen to me like it or not. Right now, hear me out now. You're gonna listen to me like it or not.
Good afternoon, everyone, and basic neural network. We're just going to start with this for now, and we're going to see that hidden layer has three hidden.
This course from Harvard University explores the concept in algebra at the foundation of every possible time. You can define time step however you like. Days of your time step. You can define a variable called x sub t, which is going to be the weather at time t. So x sub 0 might be the weather on day 0. Accurate. So on this particular data set, using this perceptron model, we were able to predict very well what the output was going to be. And we can try different models. Too. The single output variable, we can do a binary classification, like rain or no rain.